In this video, we'll walk you through the installation of your MTronic power panel, designed for automating heavy-duty appliances with up to 4,000 watts of power. First, for safety, turn off the AC power supply at the fuse box or circuit breakers. Next, locate the casing blocks at the bottom of the power panel. Insert a slotted screwdriver into the lock, twist gently, and remove the tempered glass cover. Now, with your cross-slot screwdriver, unscrew the terminal screws, connect the wires to their labeled terminals, ensuring a secure connection. Firmly tighten the screws. Mount the panel in the wall and secure it with the provided screws. Once installed, slide the tempered glass cover back into place and press until you hear it click, signaling it's securely attached. Finally, restore the AC power and give it about 30 seconds. Your power panel will power up and be ready for pairing with your M-Hub. And there you have it. Your MTronic power panel is now installed and ready to automate your heavy-duty appliances.